Hi everyone, I wanted to come on here to show you guys the past summer's harvest. I have all these videos of things that I've harvested, and this is not just a one-time harvest. I've been continuing to be able to harvest tomatoes and harvest eggplants, and I'm also harvesting just lettuce and greens from the garden. So I'm gonna continue to post more videos of what I've been able to harvest from the garden, not just for the summer but also in the fall, so you guys can see the progress and be motivated to join me in growing your own vegetables and greens and turning what you have in the garden to table. So keep on watching. Thank you everyone for joining. As always, I appreciate all the support. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you next time.